This is Beng Yeow from Porta-Fi, and today we are unboxing the Axiom in-ear monitors by Effect Audio. If you are familiar with Effect Audio, you will agree with me that the Singapore-based audio brand is influential in the area of aftermarket upgrade cables. Few will dispute that a Effect Audio upgrade cable would enhance one's IEM listening experience. And over the years, Effect Audio have taken this expertise and partnered with various IEM manufacturers to create a more holistic experience out of the box. Today, Effect Audio has taken one step further and introduced their own IEM, the Axiom. The Axiom series comprises of two models, both of which are reference class. One, the Axiom, the other, the Axiom XP, which would be released somewhere early 2022. Without further ado, let's start by taking a look at the product specifications of the Axiom. The Axiom sports a two-way balanced armature and dynamic driver hybrid design configuration, coupled with a proprietary RC architecture crossover, allowing the 12mm magnesium dynamic driver with LCP suspension to take care of the low and mid frequencies, while the pair of Non's FK series balanced armature drivers takes care of the high frequencies, registering a frequency response of 20 Hz to 16.8 kHz. The Axiom has an impedance of 32 ohms with sensitivity registering at 112 dB. It weighs in at 10.2 grams on either side and comes bundled with two MU system modules, the MMCX and the CIEM, more commonly known as 0.78 mm 2-pin. The MU system modules is something that is worth talking about. Debuting on the Axiom and the Axiom XP, the IEMs will come bundled with two passive modules from the MU system, namely the MU MMCX module and the MU CIEM module. The two modules will allow users of Axiom or Axiom XP to connect their IEMs to their arsenal of cables as long as the cables are terminated either with the MMCX or the CIEM connector. The MU system is currently at its infancy. The introduction on the Axiom allows us a preview to the potential of the patent pending system. As far as what is shared with me from Effect Audio, I think the system is highly scalable and highly flexible. What is to become of the MU system? We just have to wait and see. With that, let's begin the unboxing by unsealing the box. Before we begin the unboxing proper, let's take a look at the exterior sleeve of the packaging. The front, of course, you would have the Axiom logo, and then as we move to the left, you have the Axiom wording, and of course the Axiom logo with the Axiom wording at the back, and the three themes: experience, versatility, and sustainability, which is the current theme that defines Effect Audio. Again, we have the Axiom name here again. Then as we take a look at the top, here we have the model, which is the Axiom, and the MU system. As we mentioned earlier, this is the standard pack, which has the MU CIEM module and the MU MMCX module. It's designed by Effect Audio in Singapore and made in China. At the bottom, you have Effect Audio's logo and a tagline mentioning that Axiom is a Effect Audio brand. So without further ado, let's open the tab here and open up the package. So here we remove this and we unveil the box. After removing the exterior sleeve, we are greeted with a box with a word 喜字, which translates to the imperial seal. Let us remove the cover and start with the empowerment. Okay, so below the cover you will find a card holder. Let me remove the two cards. Okay, these cards are actually designed by Singaporean artists, and it is unique because it is also part of the sustainability element of the product, in a way that they no longer print the warranty card and the user manual. So everything is now on a QR code. So let's just put this aside first. And as you can see, this is the Axiom. And if I remove this cover, I believe you will unveil the rest of the accessories. As I unbox the IEM, I am greeted with the very nice scents from the tea leaves, which are curated by Griffin Tea & Co. So now allow me to take everything out of the package and arrange them so that we can go through them in details. I've taken out everything from the package and laid it out on the table. As you can see, this is a rather minimalist package. This is in line with sustainability, one of the 3 themes which will define Effect Audio products moving forward. Let us take 1 second to have understanding on what's on the table. Allow me now to go through the different components of the package on a clockwise basis, starting with the MU CIEM module. This is a passive MU module from the MU system. As you can see, all MU modules would have a 4-pin connection for usage for connectivity. Okay, and of course there is a screw thread here, which later I would show on the Axiom IEM, where the screw secures the MU system. Next, we have the first of 2 story cards, which are designed by Singaporean artists. So here, as I mentioned earlier, is the warranty card with a QR code to register your warranty. Next, we have the ear tips. Effect Audio have chose to work with ePro to use their horn ear tips for the Axiom. And of course, we have the screwdriver here, which I will later show you what is the use of the screwdriver. And then this is the second of the story card, and this QR code allows you to access the user manual and the Axiom story. Okay, now let us take a closer look at the Axiom itself. So here I'm picking up the left hand side of the IEMs. As you can see on the top part where the Axiom logo is, that is the MU MMCX module, followed by the faceplate, which has a 和田结 on it, adding a luxury touch to the design of the IEM. So if you take a look closely, the full body, inclusive of the module itself, is made out of aluminum alloy, and the nozzle itself, allow me to take out the ear tips. As you can see, the nozzle itself is made out of titanium alloy. So here's a close-up look at the Axiom. Okay, now allow me to attempt to remove the pre-installed MMCX module from the Axiom and replace it with the CIEM module. First, we take out the screwdriver that is part of the package. You guys would notice that this is not your typical Phillips screwdriver. This is a T4 screwdriver, so please do not use a Phillips screwdriver to attempt to remove the securing screw on the Axiom, as it will then affect your ability to change the MU module at a later stage. So now we will start unscrewing the securing screw. And then now let me remove the screw from the Axiom and set it aside. So once you have removed the securing screw, you have a closer look at the IEM. On the underside of the IEM, you'll find a groove here. Okay, so with your nail on the groove, you can then easily remove the MU module. A quick fact, the crossover of the IEM is actually built into the MU module. Okay, so meaning to say that this has a crossover, this one also has a crossover, and just to let you see, this is the CIEM module. So similarly, we will have to insert this back onto the unit, which of course, if you notice, there is a guiding hole here, so meaning to say that we can guide the module in place. Okay, so as you can see, now it's in place and it's quite secure actually, but of course we want to secure it again with a screw. So how you tell whether you're securing it properly is when you see that everything is in order, there is no gaps. Okay, and now we will rest this on the table, and then we will put in the screw again. So we put the screw back into the hole, and then with the screwdriver we will turn in the screw, securing the CIEM unit to the Axiom. So as you can see now, there is no gaps and everything is pretty much simple. With that, we have come to the end of the unboxing. I hope we have provided you with significant insights to the Axiom. If you like this video, please let us know by hitting the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please support us by doing so. Set the notification on so they'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll be reading the Axiom for a full review on Porta-Fi.com. Do look out for it. With that, this is Beng Yeow signing off.